Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the apps on a Xumo screen in 2026. So if your device feels slow, cluttered, or you just want to remove the apps that you don't use, this quick guide is going to help you clear things up. So first of all, you need to press the home button on your Xumo remote. After doing this, you just have to navigate to the application sections on the home screen. So here you just have to basically see all of the installed applications on your Xumo TV box. So among the given options, simply look for the option of manage apps. When you are inside the manage apps, simply use the arrow button on your remote in order to highlight that particular application which you want to uninstall. So when you select the application on the selections page, you are going to see the option of uninstall app or remove app. So with the help of the remotes button, you just have to simply select the application which you want to remove, then simply press the delete, uninstall or the remove button. So when it asks you to confirm it, simply confirm the uninstallation and wait for some time until the application is removed from your TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.